Hi guys, so in this video, I'm going to be unboxing the hair dryer the internet is raving about. If you're interested in that video, in this video, then please keep watching. Okay, so I've had this hair dryer for a year thanks to my husband, and I just have not opened it. I've always wanted a RevAir. If you did not know what I was talking about, it's the RevAir, the reverse air dryer. Is that what it's called? Reverse air? Yeah, reverse air. So it states you get the best experience. So the RevAir does all the work for you. The only one-handed, tear-free, mom-approved, wet to smooth dryer in the world, right? It said it has versatility, the only hair tool that can also dry extensions, twist outs, braids, locks, and wigs in half the time. With 7 different tension settings and 3 heat settings, RevAir can be used by the whole family. You have healthy hair, right? Friction is the silent culprit behind a multitude of hair problems, from frizz, breakage, to split ends and lackluster shine. So the RevAir's friction-free airflow preserves hair strength, shine, color, and overall health. And what else does it say? Fast drying, that's the best thing, right? The RevAir is proven to save you more than half the time going from wet to smooth compared to all other hair tools. So, and also there's no heat damage. Internal temperature sensors maintain even heat levels, 158 to 220, significantly below the temperature threshold of which hair is subject to heat damage. RevAir will not impact natural hair curl pattern. So yeah. It's as seen on Allure, Elle, Essence, Vogue, Bazaar, WWD, 30-day guarantee, their payment options, all the things, Black Friday sale. I mean, yeah. So I have it here. I'm just gonna leave it on my counter and open it. And so it's heavy. But this one is the newest one, the smaller version. So here's the card that comes in it. And thanks for being a part of the RevAir family. You're welcome. Because I always wanted to try this, and I hate that it took me so long. But again, I've been doing my workout, so I can hold this easily. So this is what it looks like in the box. And so you have the wand where the magic happens, the base which controls the tension level, and then additional items below the tray. So this right here is the base which controls the tension level. And so it's wrapped in a like protector, which is nice. I'm gonna take it off halfway and then lift it. So yeah, neat. And the cord, of course. Oh, and then something is falling out. Not falling out, but you know. So that's this. It looks like this is the maybe tension settings. I don't know, but we'll get into that later. This is maybe the air. This is the on-off button. So yeah, cute. Okay, and then taking it out of this. Sorry for the sound. Everything is wrapped, which is nice. It doesn't get nicked. I love that for me. And then this is the wand where all the magic happens. So your hair will go through here. Interesting. So I'm gonna leave that on the counter as well. And then I'm just going to throw those on the floor. Oops, I shouldn't have. There's this one piece Not sure what it is for, but we will find that out. And then you have the hose. The hose. And everything is protected, which is nice. And so I definitely will keep this box and keep it in the box in my closet. I think I'll take out all of the, probably all of the other boxed stuff, if that makes sense. Like this type stuff I'll toss. Probably shouldn't, but yeah, so this is the hose. So, quick start guide. I really am not, I mean, I'm a direction follower by nature, but sometimes when you really want to do your hair, you just want to hurry up and do it. So there's some assembly required. So attaching the hose with the filter. So, oh, so the hose with the filter. Let's see. So this is the hose that they're talking about. And I hate you can't see, but there's also RevAir like bands that they have, which is so neat. So this right here to this right here. Move it over. So, like so. Let's see if it's easy to, maybe this isn't pushed in good enough. Let's see. So with the basket filter aligned and inserted into the base, insert the tab on the bottom of the filter panel into the groove located at the bottom of the base. Close the filter panel while pressing firmly into the filter panel latch to lock the filter in place. Okay, so that's what I wasn't doing. Oh, okay, so you turn this. Do you? Yeah, you turn. So you put it in at the bottom and then you turn this to secure it. Easy peasy. I was making it harder. Then attaching the wand to the other end. So this is the other end. And then the wand, while holding the wand in one hand and the hose in the other, align the key and the hole. So you have the key and the hole, and you have a lock. I don't know if you can see that, like unlock, lock. Turn the hose strain relief clockwise until it clicks and the lock symbol is aligned with the black arrow. So it is. And then bonus wand rest. Oh, that's what this is. So this is the apparatus. And so you put this in here. The wand rest can be installed on either side of the base unit. Slide the flat clip in through the wand rest pocket to lock it in place. Hook the wand over the wand. Hook the wand over the wand rest between sections or during storage. Oh, okay. So that's that. So how do you I feel like I should have put it on the other side. Oh, it's easy to take off and put on the other side, which is nice. So this. Okay, so how long did that take? 11 minutes, and I was still, you know, filming and everything with it. So that's that on that. So that was quick. Let's see here. Is there anything else I need to know? They have cleaning instructions, filter basket instructions, how to use RevAir on your hair before getting started. So before getting started, designed to work on all hair types, RevAir utilizes patent technology that is customizable to achieve the best results for your individually unique hair. When considering your hair type, wavy, coily, curly, or straight, also consider its length, strand, thickness, and density. Also consider the porosity of your hair. Is it damaged by chemical treatment such as coloring, bleaching, or relaxing? These are essential factors in determining the reverse air, which is RevAir, tension and heat levels needed to produce the best results for your individual hair type. Be prepared to experiment a bit to unlock the perfect setting combination specific for your hair. So yeah, it's just simple. Turn on the base button, which is here, the power on the base, and choose your hair tension on the other side of the base. So you would go up or down, the plus or minus. And then there are 7 levels of tension. 7 levels of tension, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah. And then the temperature control heat level setting. The effectiveness of reverse air means less heat is needed when compared with traditional blow drying. So even on high 2, RevAir heat is relatively low. Still, your hair may require even less. So we recommend you experiment with both 2, which is high, and low, which is 1. As a finishing step, switching to the no heat setting duplicates the cold shock found on most blow dryers. Interesting. The wand includes an internal sensor to monitor heat levels, minimizing heat exposure. The heat will not turn on unless the base unit is powered on. Okay. I think that's it. I think that's it, sis bro. So that's my unboxing for the reverse air. It says prepare to be amazed. Please, 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 please. Let me see what else they have on the website. It's Black Friday coming up. Again, I feel like this will be after Black Friday, but Christmas, I'm sure they'll have a sale. Our story, who we are. RevAir is a high-tech beauty company that is unafraid to change the game. Our commitment to our customers is second to none. We are dedicated to delivering innovative, disruptive, and life-changing products so you can live a life unbothered and uninterrupted. So after nearly 4 years in development, hundreds of prototypes and thousands of trials, RevAir, the world's first and only reverse air dryer, was launched in 2018 by a passionate and highly skilled team of beauty industry experts who knew this game-changing system would truly benefit all who use it. We're here to truly make your hair dreams come true, so you can use ideated. You can find us ideated, exploring, and creating, so we can develop the next best products to make them so. Their beliefs: we believe that loving your hair has no type, and we're here so that everyone can have a great relationship with their hair. Period. Period. So yeah, it was $3.99. I'm not sure what my husband paid for it last holiday or last Black Friday, but today is $3.15. I feel like it was like $400, mimicking the Dyson. So I have the Dyson. I have an old school blow dryer. So if you're interested in those comparison videos, please click the like button. Please share this content. Please let me know if you like this content, because we're going to be doing some blow dry content. Blow dry, twist outs, blow dry, braid outs. I've perfected the braid out, right? Blow dried, all kind of styles, you know, curls, all of that, all of the things. So if you're interested in that video, it's time. It's time. It's the winter season, right? No humidity, right? Who loves a good chilly day, especially for your hair? I'm a heat. I love the heat. I love the humidity, but for my hair, yes. So if you're interested, it gives the elongated look, blow dry content. It minimizes single strand knots. And then with this, you don't even get damage. It's the reverse air dryer. So I'm excited about it. Please, 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 please click the bell notification so you won't miss my next video. My next video will be demonstrating the blow dryer, the reverse, the RevAir. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and wait, first of all, I see my newbies. I see you, sis. I see you, bro. I see my oldie but goodies too. I see you. Thank you so much for supporting me and watching and commenting and all of the things and sharing and liking, all of that. So I really appreciate you. Thank you so much, and peace out.